Hello, today I'm going to show you how to put shoe inserts that are sold for high-heeled shoes into your high-heeled boots in an easy way. This is the high-heeled boot. This is a Blondo boot. This is my boot, and it has a 2.5-inch heel, and it also has a very narrow toe, and I intend to wear these outdoors as well as in, so I have to have inserts both to keep my foot from sliding forward into the narrow toe, plus giving my toes enough room so that they won't get cold. And now what I'm going to use today is 3 products. One is high-heeled shoe inserts, which are made out of PORON foam. They never crush, and they're intended to make the foot very comfortable in heels and allow also for normal function and normal foot movement and gait. And those are the forefoot part, and these are the arch area part that keeps the heel inside the heel of the shoe. And the other thing that I'm going to be using is a very thin insole made out of leather. I've removed the foam backing so that it's thin and it's stiff enough so that it won't start to buckle up inside the boot. And the third part is this type of cushion insole that has a little bit of a foam back. This foam crushes so that it's not going to be used for adding comfort because it will crush out of the way, and then it has a fabric covering, and this is going to be put, inserts are going to be put on top of the leather insole, and then this is put on top, and it won't slip because both of them have foam. This has foam on the back, this is a polyurethane foam, and then this combination will keep the foot very comfortable and will keep the inserts in place. And so the way to put the inserts is, you will notice that the inserts have a little dot here and a little dot here, and so to put this forefoot insert in, you put this on the floor or inside a high-heeled shoe, and you put your foot on top of it, and you mark where the widest part of the foot is on the outside here on the lateral side, and also here on the medial side. And this will be at the base of the big toe, and this will be at the base of the little toe. And when you put them on, you'll notice that there's a little bit more space here and less space here. And the reason for that is that you're going to need your big toe for propulsion and your little toe for balance. And that's what makes these inserts unique, is that they allow for the natural functions of the toes, and that's very, very important in high-heeled footwear because it prevents high-heeled footwear from wobbling because the shoe itself is held stable. And then the arch area insert is put here, and it's put 2 finger widths from the back of the heel of the insole, and it will be up from the back of the heel of the boot or the shoe. And then this little notched in area is where the heel fits in, so that the heel won't slide sideways and it won't slide forward, and the weight of the wearer then will be maintained on the heel of the footwear, so that there will be less pressure on the ball of the foot here. There is a slightly thicker area here, more cushioning, because this is going to be fitted into the shoe or into the boot, so that this is directly under the middle metatarsal, which is where you need the greatest cushioning. And these come in a left foot and a right foot piece, and these are the same for both feet. And they come in a brochure like this, which has all of the same instructions that I just gave you here. And so once you put them into your boots, you'll be putting this piece on top of this piece, and you'll have cut both of them to size. This has very handy guidelines for cutting to the right shoe size, and you just cut this one to fit the same, and then you just put the two of them together in like this. You can do it by putting in this one first, then this one on top, and you've got yourself the most comfortable boots, and boots that won't crush your toes and will keep your toes comfortable and warm if you choose to use this kind of boots as outdoor boots. Thanks for listening. Bye now.